Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sachin Malyala. In yesterday's video of VIT counseling, I have explained each and every detail in very detailed manner. You can watch that video. If you didn't watch, you can use the link in the description and watch that. And also I will leave that link in the iTabs. Now coming to this particular video, in here I am going to give you the brief outline of each and every process in the VIT counseling. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. I have seen many comments. Students are unable to decide on branch or unable to decide on college or unable to decide on entrance exam which to choose, either JEE or VIT or SRM or Manipal, Amrita or CSC or ECE, Mechanical, EEE, CSC with specialization. For all of you guys, if you want a proper guidance in this particular counseling, so you can avail the services provided by Career Kick Services led by Nikhil sir and his team. So they are really doing exceptional work with this process. They are going to provide personal guidance and counseling guidance and career guidance through regular meetings and 24/7 chat support, daily morning 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. call support. So you can call them at any time. You can ask your doubts and clear your doubts and get clarified. And also you can talk their experts on this particular number regarding each and everything, and they will provide you all the updates to your mobile through SMS, email, and they'll call you and say that this counseling is going to start from tomorrow, so fill the choices now. So they will also guide you regarding the course prediction, college prediction, category prediction in VIT and in anything. So what are you guys waiting, sir? You can register and avail these services from Career Kick Services using the link in the description. The actual amount of these services is 5,800, but you are going to get a discount of 80%, and the final amount you need to pay is just 1,100, and they will be guiding you till you get into your desired college or your dream college. So let it be JEE or VIT or SRM or Amrita or WIT or anything. So they will be guiding you throughout the whole process. Without taking much time, do register now and pay the fee of 1,100. Get their services. First and foremost, you have to check your score. So for checking your score, you can use the link in the description. Go there, log in and check your score. If your rank is below 1 lakh, you are shortlisted for phase 1, 2, 3, 4 counseling. And if your rank is above 1 lakh, you are only allowed in phase 5 for only VIT AP and VIT Bhopal. Now coming to main important thing, after checking the result, if you are shortlisted, so these are the important dates according to your phase. You can check the screenshot on the screen. Now coming to after checking the score, after checking your phase, now based on the dates, now what you have to do, 5,900, which is a non-refundable counseling fee, you have to pay before the last date of counseling fee which I am displaying. So according to your phase, these are the last dates before you need to pay your counseling fee, 5,900, which are non-refundable. Once you pay only, you will get an option called choice filling. According to the dates which I am showing here, you have to fill your choices before the deadline which I am showing according to the phase wise. So once you fill the choice, there is no limit for filling your choices. It is up to you. You can fill each and every option available for you in VIT, all the campuses. Let it be any branch, anything. So based on your preference, if you prefer CSC at the top, you keep CSC. So based on that, they will be alerting. So they will check first option, if available, they will give you. If not, second option they will check. If available for your rank, they will give you. If not, third option. Like this, the seat allotment process will be there. Now after the choice filling, so these are the dates right before the deadline you have to fill the choice. Now coming to allotment. So on these dates, according to your phase, you will get the seat allotment. So after filling your choices, so these dates you are seeing, which you are seeing on the left. So based on these dates, so all these things like category, in which category, in which branch, in which campus you are allotted will be known on these results date. So on the allotment date. So these are the dates. Now based on the category allotted to you, you need to pay the advance fee or the full fee. It's up to you. If you want to pay advance also, you can pay. If you want to pay the full tuition fee, you can pay full tuition fee. It is total online process, and last dates I am showing on the screen. Now coming to category wise, group wise tuition fee. So group means group A comes under biotechnology, industrial design, bioengineering, EEE. So all this comes under group A, and category means it only varies between the fee. So there won't be much difference between category 1, 2, 3, 4, just only the fees. Now coming to, you can see the screenshot which I am displaying here, which contains all the fee details of your category 1, how much is the balance fee, how much is the advance fee you need to pay. So these are the last dates for paying your balance fee. If you don't pay before these last dates, your admission will be again cancelled. So you should pay the fee before the last dates for advance fee and before the balance fee. It is up to you. Now after fee payment is done, each and every fee payment is totally online process. Now your admission will be confirmed. Again you need to pay caution fee or some other extra fees will be there. They will be giving once your admission is confirmed, so you have to pay them. Now from August 2nd the classes will be started. So this is the whole brief process of VIT counseling. Now coming to main important thing, refund policies. So if you cancel or keep a withdrawal request of your seat before August 2nd, your fee will be returned back deducting 1000 rupees. 60 days from August 2nd, if you keep a withdrawal request, they will take 10% of it, and 60 to 90 days from August 2nd, they will take 20% of it. After 90 days of August 2nd, if you want to cancel or if you want to keep a withdrawal request of the seat, so they will not pay anything, only just caution fee which you are paying. That will be something like 3000 or 4000, that's it. So this is all details about VIT counseling and advance fee, amount fee. You can check all the screenshot. So that's all. If you find this as a time worth video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.